Good morning. Today topic is rotating magnetic field and principle of operation of induction motor. Myself is Shivashankar Reddy from Aerobee section. Rule number 20951A 2182. Rotating magnetic field. A rotating magnetic field is a resultant magnetic field produced by a system of coils symmetrically placed on a supplied with polyphase currents. A rotating magnetic field can be produced by a polyphase, two or more phases, current, or by a single phase current, provided that in the latter case, two field winding are supplied and are so designed that the two resulting magnetic fields generated thereby are out phase. The rotating magnetic field is the key principle in the operation of induction mechanics. The induction mechanics motor consists of a and in a steroid of a group fixed winding are so arranged that a two phase current, for example, produce a magnetic field which rotates at an angular velocity determined by the frequency of the alternating current. The armature of consists of coils wound in slots which are short circuited, in which the changing flux generated by the field poles induce a current. The flux generated by the armature current reacts upon the field poles and the armature is set in a rotation in a definite direction. A symmetric rotating magnetic field can be provided with as few as two polar wound coils driven at a 90 degrees phase. However, the sets of coils are nearby always used because it is completed with a symmetric three phases AC sine current system. The three coils are divided which each set 120 degrees in phase from the others. From the purpose of the examples, magnetic field taken to the linear function of the coils current. The result of adding three 120-degree phased sine waves on the axis of the motor in a single rotating vector that always remains constant in magnitude. The rotator has a constant magnetic field. The north pole of the rotate will move towards the south pole of the magnetic field of a vice versa. The magnitude mechanical attraction creates a force that will be driven that motor to follow the rotating magnetic field in a manner. Induction motor are in a AC electric motor in which the electric current in the rotator needed to produce torque is obtained by electromagnetic induction. From the electrical connections to the outer, an induction motor's rotator can be beyond wound type of a surgical principle of operation. In a both induction and AC power supplied to the motor stator creates a magnetic field that rotates in a sequence with the AC oscillations, whereas the motors rotate at the same rate of the stator field. An induction motor's rotates at a somewhat slower speed than the stator field. The induction motor had a magnetic field, therefore changing or rotating relative to the rotate. This induction has opposing current in the induction motors rotated in a field effects of motors. Secondary winding, when the latter is short circuited or closed through an extremely impaced, the rotating induction current is winding of the rotor in a manner similar to currents induced in a transform secondary winding.